Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because this is the last day of 2021, guys. I'm so excited, and there is nothing much I'm going to do in this video but to implore you to join me in thanking God for this year that is just moving. 2021 is just moving, and we are about to enter into a new and a fabulous year, 2022. So guys, I'm so excited and I'm positive about this new year that we're going to enter. Why being thankful for what has happened in 2021, for the lessons that I have learned. I've picked so many lessons for myself that I desire to keep private. Then for 2022, guys, going into 2022 with an open mind, with a positive mind, and I also wish you to go into the year with that. So having said that, I just want to say a little prayer with us. I don't know the walk of life that you're watching my video from, but guys, I wish you a fabulous new year. I pray that this new year will bring you joy, it will bring you peace, it will bring you health of mind and also of body. It will give you a good mental health. That if there's anything that you desire so much to achieve this year, I pray that it will come to pass. Then if you have anything, any of your prayers, any of your plans, your goals, whatever that you have in mind to achieve this year, I hope that you be positive about it while you work towards whatever that you want to achieve. So guys, that is just the major thing that I want to share with us in this video. Welcome to 2022. While we say goodbye to 2021, enjoy your day, sleep if you have to, do whatever you want to do today to have a peaceful mind and have a wonderful 2020. So see you next time. Bye.